So children, again we are starting in the second video. It was not possible to complete in first, that the immune system consists of lymphoid organs, tissues, cells and antibodies. Now the function of the immune system is to recognize, is to respond and to remember the pathogens or antigens. Now the other functions that it plays important role in allergic reactions, in autoimmune disorders and in organ transplantation, which we have already discussed. Now the types of the this immune system, the lymphoid organs. A part of the immune system is lymphoid organ. They are of two types: primary lymphoid organ and secondary lymphoid organ. Lymphoid organs can be defined where do the origin, maturation and proliferation of lymphocytes takes place. Primary lymphoid organs are bone marrow and thymus. Where do the lymphocytes differentiates into antigen sensitive lymphocytes. Secondary lymphoid organs, where it provides the place where do the lymphocytes interact with the antigen and then they proliferate as effector cells. Then it comes the example of secondary lymphoid organs, that is spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils, Peyer's patches of small intestine and appendix. Now we are to take up them separately one by one. Last one is the MALT, which is a mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. It forms the lining of the major tracts like respiratory, digestive and urinogenital tract. It forms the 50% of the lymphoid tissue. Now we are here coming to the bone marrow. This is the first primary lymphoid organ. It forms the major lymphoid organ where do the lymphocytes are produced. Then the thymus. It is present, below the breastbone and near the heart. When it is at the time of birth, it is quite large, but it reduces when there is an onset of puberty, so that the immunity also decreases. Then it comes the spleen. Spleen is actually a bean-shaped organ, and this performs the phagocytes of the, here the phagocytes and lymphocytes are present and it phagocytosized the pathogens. Okay, and it is a large reservoir of erythrocytes called as blood bank. Then the lymph nodes, they are present here in the lymphatic system, and lymph nodes are also trap the microorganism, helps in the defense mechanism. Okay, and then it comes the Peyer's patches. Peyer's patches are the small masses of lymphatic tissue and present in the ileum and monitors the growth of microorganisms in the ileum intestine. And then it comes the tonsils. Tonsils are present both the sides of the throat, and then they are also help in defense mechanism. Last is the mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. As I told you, it forms the 50% of the lymphoid tissue present in the respiratory, digestive and urinogenital tract. This is all about the immune system. Thank you.